Hello, welcome. Thank you for making time to review this video on my project, about my project. So this is a simple WebRTC server that I've just been working on my spare time, just for fun to see where this goes. If this grows into something, that'll be good. So I've been working on this for a while now. So I've managed to redo pretty much the whole project. I had to redo some things. Also, I wanted also to take advantage of the Java 21 um, new features. So I had to redo it and also rebase the whole project on the Helidon framework, the web framework. I really think it's lighter and it doesn't come or force you to bring a lot of boilerplate or even library implementations, which would make it a bit heavier or we just bloat your memories much. So yeah, hence I went with this version and I tried to stick to native functions, but yeah. So here we are. So you can also find this project here on my GitHub. I recently tagged this to version 1.7. I'm not sure why it's not showing up here, but yeah, I recently tagged it to version 1.7. I mean, 0.1.7 is still not 100% there where I wanted to be. So the core feature that I've just been refurbishing is the GStreamer feature or the transcoding feature powered by GStreamer. Yeah. So this is where I am. So I'm going to do a demonstration of this feature at the moment that is currently there. I really think it's ready. Just needs a little bit more fine tuning. So this is yeah. So this is the page I've been talking about. So this is where you can find the app. It's open source. You can play around with it. Um, yeah. So I recently changed it to 0.1, 0.0.1. So yeah, that's where I am. But yeah, thank you for making time. So let me just get to it. Okay. So, I've this implementation. This is the server in action. Also, I've created an implementation for the front end for the web. Currently, I just have the web implementation that I'm going to show you an example of. Yes, so it's currently available here. So the current example that I have is a web implementation. So I just implemented with just native JavaScript. There's also a JavaScript SDK that I also set up for this. So you always find this in the demo section. So if you go here and then you go to client examples, yes. So here's the web version. So this is the SDK, or maybe the library, if you can put it like that. This is the base. You always need to include this. So this is the example that I'm going to show you, the GStream example on how to receive a broadcast. So I have something already set up locally. Yes, so what this does is just to receive streams. So it primarily just streaming. Let's say a file in the backend on your server, which you'll find this also. I've set up some couple of examples in the storage section. This is what I have. These are the files that I'm going to be streaming. Randomly, these files will be selected. So yeah, if we come. So yes, so that's the core of which. So this is the just example. I was able to make different to adding dynamic means choose the number. So right now I've just maximum that I managed to put up is just four, maximum of four. So you can just always expand on that to see to what extent in terms of performance, how much you can heat, and how much benefit are you getting in terms of memory consumption and leverage whatever garbage collection mechanism that you want to use for efficiency and maybe throughput as well. But yeah, thank you. I'll be making more videos of these examples for my client side, depending also on the features that I'm also adding. So thank you for making time. That's all.